Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the 3 points bending over the ultra high performance concrete beam reinforced with jute epoxy layer with 4 layers with different degree or different angle of the uh, fiber inside the jute epoxy. The jute is a natural fabric, and we use a reference paper as a material reference for this jute epoxy part. And let me click on this deform shape. See, this is the displacement, the compressive damage for the ultra high performance concrete. Tensile damage, it means crack growth here, the crack initiation and crack growth, tensile. Also the plastic strain, stress, you can see. And let me now replace the jute epoxy. This is the jute epoxy. This is the stress in layer 1. This layer, the top layer, we can request, for instance, this layer. You can see the stress changed the value of the stress, and this is the outer surface of this jute epoxy material. Okay, and also the force displacement diagram. See, this is the force displacement diagram. The force increases with displacement, but here this is the maximum. And if we keep the simulation, we will get zero value for the force, and it means failure. This is the maximum here. It is around 1.1 meganewton for this composite beam or reinforced ultra high performance concrete with jute epoxy. If you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, click on the blue side or on the title. Then you will have short explanation about the geometry and assembly, a step load interaction mesh, and at the end the result as figures. You can see them here. And the cost for this tutorial is 25 euros. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa, or a MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.